Everybody, it's JC with Worldwide RV, and today we're going to show you something special. Jayco's come out with a new floor plan in the B van, and this is called the Jayco Swift 20D. Now, in some motorhomes that means something, and this is just a specification of floor plan. This is based on the Dodge Ram ProMaster 3500. This is going to be a 6-cylinder motor with 24 gallons of fuel capacity. The tanks are 24 gallons of fresh, 33 of gray, and 12 of black. So this is an all-encompassing unit. We're going to show you some of the specifics as we go through. What's nice about this particular unit is the way that they've done the chairs. Obviously, you have captain's chairs in the front, but you also have captain's chairs in the back. And these will swivel around so you can have a nice family area, as well as something hidden on the inside. Right in here, you can release this, and this is a 32-inch TV that will come out and drop down. Now we have the ladder out because this also has the pop-up bunk area for where your kids are going to be. And of course, when you are camping, now you have a sliding door. So if you have pets and want to keep the insects out, it's all available to you. Again, you guys, everything is designed with Jayco to ensure that you have the best of all worlds, from a 730-day full factory warranty plus another year structural to the overall benefit of having the B van in a nice small area. As we take a look around, you can see the running boards, and there is an Onan 2400 generator located underneath. You have 110 watt power out here as well. And as you come through around the outside, also on the outside, notice these windows. The other B vans in the market don't have these. These allow for cross breeze as you are in a camping area. We're located outside of Saguaro Lake so that you can get a good feel of what it's going to be like when you're actually camping. This does have a 190 watt solar panel on board. So again, it keeps you motoring down the road because it's going to constantly charge that battery. As you come around here, this gives you a good idea of the living area. Now this actually pulls out, and this becomes a full-size bed as well as a sofa when you're not using it as a bed. The kitchen area, you have a convection oven here, you have an induction cooktop as well as your sink, and then again another 24-inch TV located here. You have the Terraform cabinets, which again are going to give you plenty of space to open up. They are carpeted on the inside. So you can see you have plenty of room to store things, as well as the 13.5 air conditioner to give you plenty of AC if you are in an area where it's hot. Today around the lake, we're nice and cool because we really wanted to give you a feel of what camping is going to be like. Now, one of the nice things is you have a 5.1 cubic foot refrigerator, and as you take a look, plenty of room to get all the cooking for yourself. You also have a pantry located right here. And then one of the neater things, I'm going to switch places with you, is to take a look at how they've set up the bathroom. So this area, as you open it up, as you can see, you have your sink, your shower, and of course your bathroom as well. Again, maximization of space, you guys. Everything that Jayco does is tries to be better than the competition. We're not using particle board. We're not using OSB. We have a full plywood design. And again, everything's made in-house in Indiana. You guys, we really want to be the best of the best. So let me show you a little bit more of the outside and give you this overall view of the 20D. Come on out. As we take a look at the outside, you do have the towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. That's a 5,000 pound hitch, but the tow capacity is 3,500. Don't let people fool you. You already have the side and rear view cameras. And again, as you come along, here's where you have your full connect area. So your cable, 30 amp service, city water connection, and one of the nice things, you actually have a black tank flush. No more sticking a wand down or a hose down. You simply put a hose here and it'll flush out your tank. Another 110 watt outlet, as well as solar connectivity on the side. So if you do want to add extra solar, if you're in an area where you're parked in the shade, you can connect it there and you have full reach. As you go here, obviously your generator is actually located underneath. That is your low drains, as well as your connectivity for your gray. And then in here is your propane, as well as your other drop sink. And then of course your outlet. You guys, this has the running boards, full capability for driving down the road. This is new to the marketplace. This is the 2023 Jayco 20D. We hope you enjoy it. We hope you get to go camping. Contact us at Worldwide RV. My name's JC, and you have a great day.